Hi, hello everyone. This is Lakshmi. Once again, welcome to my channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. Or maybe seriously to get the best and better rank in your competitive examinations. For those only, this channel is helpful because in maths there will be plenty of the topics. I'm using amazing tips and tricks. You can crack the solutions for each topic easily to focus in your final examination. If you are serious, if you are seriously you want to get the best and better rank your competitive examinations for your bright future, bright career, for those only this channel is helpful. So if you want to set your bright future, compulsory you can watch this video, otherwise you can skip the videos. That is up to you because I'm using amazing super tips and tricks. So are you serious about your career? Yes, yes. Now, wow, what are the various types of the chapters I'm going to teach here, especially what are the various levels, especially I'm going to teach the one of the prestigious course, that is a entrance examination, that is JEE Mains Advanced as well as a MCET. If your target is to reach that level compulsory, you can focus such type of examinations that is helpful to you for everywhere. That is not only in your state, in our country, in our other countries also there will be plenty of opportunities if we have the valued graduation. That graduation we are getting from the JEE Mains level of engineering colleges like all NITs, IIITs as well as IITs, or MCET in local state syllabus of state AP and TS. Those are also very helpful to you. So for your bright future. So are you serious about that one? Compulsory you can watch my channel because I'm using amazing super tips and tricks. Within fraction of seconds, how can you solve the solutions? That with concept, not question to answer. I'm not explaining. So you have to know the concept first. If you know the concept in competitive examination, he may give the questions in one question. He may frame in multiple angles. You can compulsory can crack those questions easily when you have the knowledge about the subject with the concept as well as the tips and tricks, because in competitive level of examinations time is important. Within short time you have to focus the more number of questions. So that is in your hand only. There is no difficult at all. Easily you can focus, but you can set your mind. Yes, you will be in that level. Definitely you can crack everything. That is not impossible at all. So first your target is important, as well as taking the work seriously is important, and mindset is important. So you can do it definitely. So you can succeed even in your whatever maybe level of examinations. Okay, are you ready? Yes. In this video, today's topic is one of the subtopic of the limits. One of the subtopics of the limits, because each and every topic I am teaching as a subtopics. Then you can understand the entire topic easily. This is most important subtopic, that is simply continuity. What is that? Limits on continuity I am explaining in this video. Continuity, or what you have to know first of all, as well as a simple way, easy way, graphical I am explaining, as well as I am going to teach some previous years JEE Mains answered questions also for your reference purpose. All those are easily helpful to you to crack the continuity in the limits part. It is part and parcel of limits easily. So then ready to watch the topic. Are you ready? Yes. Now first of all, what is a continuity? You have to know what is a continuity. Continuity, there will be majorly two parts. Those are continuous as well as discontinuous. Continuity there will be in two parts, continuous and discontinuous. Discontinuous is also known as not continuous, which is not a continuous, that's simply known as discontinuous. Is it clear now? So limits part, I am taking the subtopic is continuity in this video, especially because I did some videos which are depends upon limits, indeterminate forms, limits at infinity 0, indeterminate forms. I have done the two parts. Some limits in special types of functions also I did. those videos are most helpful to you to follow the entire limits along with this continuity. Continuity is one of the most important uh, subtopic in the limits. So most of the years like JEE Mains and MCET is giving the questions from the compulsory one question is from the continuity. That's why it is the most important. Okay. Further simply you have to know what are the conditions. That's it. You have to know the idea about the limits. That's it. Then easily can crack the each and every question in continuity in simple way, easy way. Right? So continuity there will be two types. Continuous as well as discontinuous. Discontinuous also known as what? Yes, not continuous. Now in continuity we can majorly define as two parts. Majorly. So we can discuss more and more, but major points are limit function value is approaches to f of a and x is approaches to a. What is the meaning of this one? Limit of the function value is f of a and x is reaches to a, then the function is said to be continuous. When we can use here, some compulsory will give the function directly and extends to a. In place of a may give the any value. At this value the function value should be equal. Then only this is continuous. Simply I explain with a graphical representation. Suppose here x is equal to a is a line. The function reaches to f of a. Limit of this function reaches to f of x is reaches to f of a. When x is reaches to a means what? Limit value of the function is f of a when x is approaches to a. Then the function, this function is called as what? Continuous at the point, this is called as point at the point x is equals to a. Maybe a is any point will go like 0, 1, 2, etc. Is it clear now? So in this case we can observe that directly we will give the limit function. Sometimes if it is not defined f of a directly, e only give the some values. What are those? We will discuss one by one the questions. No need to worry. First we have to know what is the concept, right? Now what is second point? Second part, e may give the function will be splitting as at one point a may give the two parts like x tends to a minus. What is the meaning of x tends to a minus? X tends to a minus means what? X is reaches to left side of a means less than a, and f of x extends to a plus means what? F of x extends to a plus means x reaches to greater than a means right side of a, and the value of the limit is f of a. Then only the function is continuous and x is equals to a. Is it clear now? Sometimes you may split the function at 2, 3 points. At the major point you have to check the continuity. Continuous, when it is continuous, limit f of x as x tends to a minus. What is the meaning of x tends to a minus? X value reaches to left side of a, and the limit f of x extends to a plus means what? X is reaches to right side of a. The limitation value is equals to f of a. Then only the function is continuous at the point x is equals to a. Is it clear now? Simply you can observe this graph. Suppose this is line x is equals to a. F of x is reaches to left side of a to f of a. Right side of a to also f of a. So it is extends to a minus when reaches to left side of a to f of a and right side of a to f of a. And the limit value is also, function value is also equals to f of a. Now we can observe this is like this. This simply continuous. There is no break at all. Okay. Discontinuous means there will be some gap. That is called as discontinuous. Small observation you have to do. Okay. What is a continuity? Majorly two types of continuity. How to focus? Continuous, continuity two types, continuous and discontinuous. First you have to know about the continuous. If it is continuous, otherwise what? Discontinuous. Which is not continuous, that is simply known as discontinuous. Is it clear now? Now graphically you can get the idea. But for all functions we cannot draw the graphs easily. That's why you have to know the concept. You have to know the concept. For your understanding purpose I drew the graph. But for every function we cannot draw the graph easily. So for that you have to spend this time. Instead of that one you have to know the concept. Now come to the discontinuous. Discontinuous means otherwise if these two are fails then that function is said to be discontinuous at that point. For example, you can observe that this is x is equals to a line. X is reaches to left side of a, that value is L1. Some L1, it reaches to some this height L2. And from right side, it reaches to some L1. Means this side is different from this height. There is some gap. There is some break. Means what it is? Discontinuous. Both are not equal. And also not equals to the function is reaches to some L. That is not equals to this value also, this height indirectly by the graph. So therefore the function is simply discontinuous. Is it clear at the point is what? A. So I will explain just simply with my hands. Suppose this is my height is some x is equal to a line. My hand is moving like this, some height here till head from the right side. Same way another hand is also moving the right side. This is movement is nothing but function. It is moving like this means what? Compulsory it is, there is continuity because they are moving to same height. That is like this, left side of a minus a plus both are equals to f of a. Suppose we can come to this one which is not a continuous. Suppose this right side hand is moving from till this height, left side hand is moving to this height. You know, both are not coincident. There is some gap between them. That is called a discontinuity. Is it clear? Simple way. Just I explained the graph only. I showed with my hands. Okay, simple way, easy way how to know what is a continuity concept. This is continuity concept. What are the rules for continuity? Continuity, there will be continuous and discontinuous. When it is continuous and the function is given directly, we can verify the f of a. A is what? Given point. And maybe sometimes we may give the function as a splitting 2 or 3 points. Like at the point A, he is splitting as left side of A means A minus as some f of x. Right side of A is a f of x. These limitations values are equals to some f of a value, f of a value. Then only the function is continuous at x is equals to a point. Now otherwise it will be discontinuous. So various questions you may frame, definitely you can come across easily if you know the concept. That is only I am going to teach in my videos. If you are taking seriously, you want to set your goal, definitely can watch. Clear? Now I will start the questions. I am using these points, the questions. Simple way how you can apply this type of continuous as well as discontinuous. Clear? Look at the questions one by one. In this just I am explaining what are the various types of continuity questions as well as discontinuous. And you may frame the question in different angles also. Those, how can you crack it? What is a given question? You can understand first of all. What I explained, those I have given as a hints as a 2 points. First majorly you can concentrate, these points are depends on continuous. If it is failed, then it should be discontinuous, is also known as not continuous. That is only difference between the continuous and the discontinuous. So what is the first one? Limit f of x as extends to a means what? Limit of function value as extends to a is f of a. Then the function is clearly continuous. Sometimes you may frame the question, I said already, 2 or 3 points. In such cases we can use this step. I will explain by the question. You can understand where we can use. So easily you can follow it. Ready? Right. Come to the question number 1. The function fx is given as 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon x cube. Here what is given in this bracket? X is not equal to 0. Means what? If you take the x is equal to 0 in this function, it is not defined directly. In such cases, we will give the x is equals to x is not equals to 0. No need to worry about that point. But limit can be adjusted at x is equal to 0. So and also given that f of 0 value of the f of 0 is given as 1. Now we have to check at x is equal to 0 the function position is what? We have to check what? The function is what? At x is equal to 0 you have to check. Means given options also are given here. Continuous, discontinuous, left continuous, right continuous. What is the meaning of left continuous and right continuous? If the left side extends to a minus value is a f of a value, then it is left continuous. Maybe x tends to a plus means greater than a, limitation of f of x is equals to f of a, that is a right continuous. That is only difference between the left continuous and the right continuous. If the left continuous is equals to right continuous is equals to f of a, then it is continuous. Like that we have to think. Okay, in this question we can check it. First of all, is given that only single function is not splitting as x tends to greater than 0 plus 0 minus, directly we can use the first tip. That is a limit fx as x tends to, in place of a, what is there here? 0. X tends 0, we have to check this value. Limit fx is given as what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x by x cube. As x tends to 0, this limit value have to check. For the simplification easily, limit value sin 3x formula I have to substitute. We can use LH rule, but LH rule takes a more time. So that's why I am taking the simplification of sin 3x. Simplification method I am doing. Like limit x tends to 0, 3 sin x as it is, minus sin 3x formula. You know sin 3a formula is what? Sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. In place of a there is x, that is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x upon x cube is as it is, right? Now after simplification of this is what happened? You know, by 3 sin x here minus 3 sin x gets cancelled. One more term is left over, that minus of minus plus 4 sin cube x by already x cube is there. You know, by the standard form of the limit, sin x by x tends to 0 value is what? Limit sin x by x tends to 0 value is 1. Even the cube also there, it is 1 only. 1 cube is 1. Therefore, the final answer is 4 into 1 is 4. Limit of f of x tends to 0 is 4 we got. Like limit f of x tends to a value, we got 4. But f of 0 is given as what? In place of a, what is there here? 0. F of 0 value is given as what? 1. Is it equals to 1? Is it equals to 1? Yes, it's not equals to 1. Means what? It is not equals to indirectly f of 0. Means what happened here? Limit f of x tends to some a. In place of a, what is there? 0 is not equals to f of a means f of 0. Means clearly, if it is failed, that is called as what? Discontinuous. The option number 2 is correct. This is for continuous. Right? If those conditions are failed, it becomes a discontinuous. Here no need to worry about the left continuous and the right continuous. So only continuous or discontinuous is enough. Clear? Now we can look at the next question. Here also given one function is in the form of 1 plus x whole power 5 by x is continuous at x is 0. You only given that continuous at x is 0, then he is asking f of 0 value. Means what? F of a, in place of a, what is there? 0. F of 0 means what? This limit of this function value we have to find out. F of 0 means what? We have to find out limit of the function at x is equals 0. We have to find out. That is what I am doing here. Because given that already continuous means what? Limit f of x as x tends to, in place of a, what is given? 0 is indirectly f of 0 is given, because that given that continuous. F of x is function is what here? We can write that function x tends to 0. F of x is what? 1 plus x whole power 5x. This value we can find out, that is equals to our required value f of 0. Whatever may be this limit value is equals to our f of 0. For this limit, what you can do? Tell me, x is 0, what happened here? 1 plus 0, 1 power 5 by 0 infinity. This is clearly in the form of what? 1 power infinity. I have done the video which are depends upon the indeterminate forms. 1 power infinity formation is what you have to know, that is already given. That one you have to write. This is the total in the power of e. Limit whatever may be, this value can take as it is x tends to 0. The power function, what is the power function here? 5 by x is taken as into 5 by x into, what is the base function? 1 plus x. From the base function you can subtract the 1. This is rule for 1 power infinity case. Okay, if you watch that video, you can understand how it is. It's a very, very important formation, indeterminate form. 1 power infinity. Here what happened? 1 cancel. After that x also gets cancelled. Finally what is left over? 5 will be left over. 5 with e means e power 5. Now what is this value? E power 5 value is simply f of 0 value. He is asking that only. Clear? What is change between these two questions? Here we have to recognize continuous or discontinuous or not. Here we have to find out some unknown value if it is given that continuous. That is only difference here and there. Like that, he may frame the questions in different angles but same concept. If you know the concept easily, you can crack the solutions easily. Clear? Question number 3. He is given that first two questions are given function directly, but in question number 3 and 4 is given. First of all, look at the question number 3. F of x is splitting as two functions. F of x is given as 5x minus 4 when x is lies between 0 to 1. What is meaning of this is x is greater than 0 and x is less than equals to 1. At this case, f of x must be 5x minus 4. We have to choose. And also f of x is also given as what? 4x square plus 3bx when x is lies between 1 to 2. What is the meaning of this is x value is greater than 1 and x is less than 2. We have to choose this function fx place. Okay. And also given that and the f of x is continuous is given in the interval 0 to 2. In the interval 0 to 2 means these are the x values from 0 to 2. You know this is 0, this is 2. In between the 0 and 2 there is a 1 point. That is common point. At that point we have to check. That's enough. At the x is equals 1, if you check this is a continuous, we can take the continuous because already given that continuous. At x is equals to 1, point 1 we have to check. Why you have to check at the point 1? Because of between the 0 to 2 there is a common point 1. Here less than x is less than 1 we can choose this function. X is greater than 1 we can choose this function. Means indirectly for this we have to use a second point. That is what x tends to a minus. What is meaning of x tends to a minus? X is reaches to less than value of a and x tends to a plus means x is reaches to greater than value of a. We have to choose this function. Indirectly given that in place of a what is given here? 1. Means indirectly limit f of x tends to a minus equals to limit f of x tends to a plus c is given as in place of a what is that? 1 plus is given as f of a means f of 1. So what is that? We can check here. Check it here. Here compulsory only 2 in because x is equals to 1 already same function is given. F of 1 is also same as x is less than 1. That's why you can equate these two enough. That means like this. Is given that continuous. That's why I'm taking simply limit f of x as x tends to a minus means here 1 minus must be equals to limit f of x extends to a plus means what? 1 plus. Both are must be equal because are given that continuous. Because of 1 is common point between the 0 and 2. That's why that is equals to 1 enough. Now x tends to 1 minus means x is taken as less than 1. X is less than 1 means which function you have to choose? F of x as 5x minus 4. Like that simply can take x tends to, if you choose the function 5x minus 4, simply we can write only 1. No need to use this sign. This sign indicates choosing the function left side of 1. Now same way, what about next one? X tends to 1 I am writing as it is. X tends to 1 plus means greater than 1. X is greater than 1. In place of f of x we have to choose 4x square plus 3bx. That is only I am taking 4x square plus 3bx. Right. Apply the limits and throughout x is equals to 1. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 is 1 is equals to right side. X is 1 means 4 into 1 square is 4 plus 3b into 1 is 3b. So what you got? 1 is equals to 4 plus 3b. From this what is the next step? 4 if you take this side 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 is equals to 3b. Simply b is equals to minus 1. Like this we can find out b value for this question. Clear? Question is given as a splitting of 2 points, 2 functions at a single point x is equals to 1. We can use a second type. Clear? Now we can come to the question number 4. In question number 4, f of x is splitting as 3 types of functions. For x is greater than 2, f of x you can choose as 2x minus 1. For x is equals to, f of x is must be k. For x is less than 2, f of x must be x square minus 1. X square minus 1 is given that what? Continuous. At what point? At x is equals to. Then what is asking? K. What is a k here? K is f of x value when x is equals to 2. Means what? Is given that what? Continuous. There is no question of confusion. Simply you have to use this step. Simply limit f of x as x tends to, in place of a 2 is there, 2 minus must be equals to 2 minus, no need to use this minus, 1 no need to use 2 minus. Next one, limit f of x as x tends to 2 plus must be equals to f of 2 is given that continuous. Okay, what is the value is asking? K value, only one of the value is asking. That's why no need to use this and that. Simply any one of them is enough. If you use these two better, maybe you can use these two also. I'm using these two. Limit f of x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means what? We can use this one. Yes. Limit x tends to 2 we can use. 2 minus means less than 2. For less than 2, f of x plus is x square minus 1 is equals to f of 2. At x is equals to f of x is what? K. Means what? F of 2 is equals to k. Right? Now what is this limit value? 2 is a substitute in place of x. 2 square 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore k value is 3. Right? If you choose this also, you can get the same answer only. If you choose this is what happened? 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Same answer you can get because given that it is continuous. A function fx is given as 3 definitions. F of x is ax minus b when x is less than equals to 1. And fx is equals to 3x when x is lies between 1 to 2. And it is also equals to bx square minus a when x is greater than equals to 2. Here we can observe that there will be 2 common points. 1 as well as 2. Here for x is less than 1 you can choose this function, x is greater than 1 you can choose this function. Same way x is less than 2 we can choose this function, x is greater than 2 also we can choose this function. Okay, this is a given data and also given that what? Continuous. At x is equals to how many points? 2 points. What are those? 1 and 2. Then we can find out a, b. There will be some unknown values a, b are there here. We can find out them. But here what you have to concentrate. Simple way. In previous questions I did only at 1 point. Here we can use the 2 points. What are the 2 points? X is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 also. It is continuous. Means we can check at 1 minus 1 plus as well as 2 minus 2 plus also we can take. From those equations we can collect the unknown values a, b. So simple way, easy way I'm doing like this. You know already x tends to at x is equals to 1 I'm doing here. X is equals to 1 means already you know x tends to 1 minus less than 1 you can choose limit f of x we can choose what? Ax minus b as x tends to 1. Already I did in previous questions how I had taken you know well. Same way I'm missing that step. Only in place of f of x what I have taken? Ax minus b when x is less than 1 ax minus b is must be equals to limit x tends to 1 plus greater than 1. Greater than 1 means this one. 3x we can choose. Both must be equal. Why it is equal? Because given that it is continuous at x is equals to 1. Right? Now we can apply the limit here. X is equals to 1. A into 1 a with minus b. A minus b is equals to right side x is equal to 1 3. We got the a minus b is equal to 3. You can take it as one of the equation. Right? Now similarly at 2 I'm taking. At x is equals to, if you understand the concept directly you can take. At x is equals to means we can choose the 2 plus value at the 2 plus as well as 2 minus also. At 2 minus first I am taking. For 2 minus which function you can choose? This function, right? Fx is 3x is equals to limit x tends to 2 plus greater than 2. For greater than 2 we can choose this function to bx square minus a x is 2 as it is. After choosing the 2 minus and 2 plus function, we can eliminate the side. Now we can apply the limit. X is equals to 2, it becomes 6. Left side, right side, 2 square 4b, 4b minus a. We can solve these two. Solve 1, 2 equations, we can find out AB. This work is I am giving to you. We can calculate what are the AB values. I am not doing. Okay, what you have to calculate? You have to calculate AB values. By solving these two equations, you can find out AB. You know, how can you solve the equations very well? From your side, we can do this finishing work, right? Now, we can come to the next question. What you can understand in this question is given that continuous at 2 points, 1 and 2, both are used. Now, we can come to the next question, which is given that EAMCET 2016. That is the value may be values. Is given that in bracket means may be values of x values we have to find out, for which the function, so and so function is given that fails to be continuous. Fails to be continuous means it is indirectly discontinuous. For what value of x? You know, x is already defined in 2 points. Majorly x is equals to 1 and 2 also. At these 2 points we have to check. Left-handed limit is equals to, right-handed limit is equals to f of a. In place of a we can take 1 as well as 2. Then only it is continuous, otherwise fails to continuous. Maybe 1 or 2, maybe both we have to check. Is it clear? Read out the question clearly. What is asking? He is asking what are the values of x? The function is fails to be continuous. Fails to be continuous means it is a discontinuous. Maybe at 1 point, 1, maybe 2, maybe both we have to check. For this simply we have to check what? Like x less than 1. For x less than 1 value you have to choose the function is f of x. 1 minus x. X tends to 1 value, first I am calculating. At x is equals to 1 I am checking. 1 minus 1, 0. This is left side of 1. Similarly right side, x is greater than 1 I am choosing. Limit x tends to 1. Right side means this function. 1 minus x of 2 minus x. You know that x is equals to 1, if you substitute this is also 0. Now what happened? At x is equals to 1 plus 1 minus and 1 plus both values are equals to 0. Is it continuous or discontinuous? Yes, it is clearly continuous, not discontinuous. But we want fails to continuous. Means what? Discontinuous one. Discontinuous you have to check. Therefore, x is equals 1 is not at x is equal to 1, it is not a discontinuous. Now you can check at x is equals to limit x is equals to means 2 minus I am taking first. 2 minus you can choose this function. X tends to 2, 1 minus x of 2 minus x. By taking x is equals to here 2 minus 2, 0, 0. This is left side of the function at x is equals to is 0. We can check the right side also. Limit x tends to 2 plus. For 2 plus which function we can choose? X is greater than 2 means 2 plus we can choose 3 minus x function. Right, 3 minus x. X is a 2 if you substitute. 3 minus 2 is 1. Tell me what is this left-handed limit value is 0. Right-handed limit value is 1. Is it equal? It's not equal. Means fails to be discontinuous. Fails to be continuous. To be continuous. At what value? At x is equals to only one of value 2. In the given options, I didn't give the options. It is given that 1, 2, 1, 2 like that has given. It is fails to continuous only x is equals to, because these two are not equal. Clear? You know, questions concept is same, but question framing is slightly varied. From question to questions, I am covering all model questions. So that is mostly helpful to you for your competitive level of examinations. Question to answer is not enough. You have to understand how many ways you may frame the question with the same topic. Clear? See the question number 7, which is given JEE Mains 2012. It is given. Given the question as well as options also, you know, where is a change in the options? How can you recognize the options also important here? First of all, by observing the question becomes, it seems too lengthy, but solution is very simple. So it is, first of all, what is the question? If f from R to R in the sense real numbers, set to real number set is a function defined by f of x is, this is a clearly step x of cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 of pi is given. F of x is given as step x of cos 2x minus 1 by 2 of pi, where this symbol indicates a GIF. What is the meaning of GIF? Greatest integer function. That meaning is what already I did. Special types of functions, limits. There also you can get the idea. That is also we can call it a step function generally. Okay, is given we can check this function is continuous for every real value of x, maybe continuous at only x is equal 0, maybe discontinuous x is equal 0 only, discontinuous at non-zero integral values of x. We have to check these options. So this function is continuous for all real values of x, maybe at 0, maybe discontinuous, and so on. We can check it here. For that simply, so I'm taking the solution here. Okay, before to start this question, I'm writing the function as, means solution, I'm writing the function, shall I write like this? Step x of cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 I'm writing, 2x minus 1 into the 2 I'm taking under pi by 2. From this you can understand clearly what is 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is general form of odd number set. 2x minus 1 is general form of odd number set. Suppose x is equals to 1, 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 is odd number. If you take x is equals to 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 is odd number. X is equal to suppose 3, 2 into 3 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, is also odd number. 2x minus 1 is general form of the odd number set. General form of what? Odd number set. And also what is there here? Cos of odd multiples of pi by 2. What this is called as? Pi by 2. You know that clearly, whatever may be odd multiple of pi by 2, cos value is 100% 0. That one you have to know first. What is this is? Since clearly cos of 2x minus 1 into pi by 2, 100% 0. Like cos 90 pi by 2 is 0, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, and so on. All odd multiples of 90, cos is 0. Means what? This is all numbers, all real numbers. Means all real values of this is 0. This is step function is the one of the finite value. Means what you have to take? For every x belongs to R, limit of f of x, suppose x is some a, let a belongs to R, if you take x tends to a is equals to f of a or not. F of a means what here? F of a is clearly 0. What is a is? Any real number. For every value of the x, what is cos of 2x minus 1 into pi by 2 is clearly 0. 0, this is 0. 0 into the step function is finite value. 0 into finite value is 0. If you take any real number, means clearly limit f of x tends to 0, a is equals to f of a. What is f of a? A is any real number. Suppose a is equals, suppose if you take the a is equals to 0 here. X is 0. 0, step 0 is 0. Cos of 0 minus pi by 2. Cos minus pi by 2 is also 0. Suppose if you take the 2, f of 2, step of 2 is a 2. Cos of 2 to 4, 4 minus 1 no 3, 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is also 0. Like that, limit f of x extends to a is equals to f of a is equals to 0. Means what? Clearly limit f of x extends to a is equals to f of a. Means it is 100% continuous for every real value of x. Therefore, which option is correct one? It is clearly first option. Here major point you have to concentrate all odd multiples of pi by 2, cos is 0. That's it. Within 2 steps you can crack the solution, but understanding the question is important here, which is given MSET 2017. In this question, if f of x is given as 4 parts, f of x is sin x when x is less than or equals to 0, f of x is sin x when x is less than or equals to 0. Is x square plus a square when x is lies between 0 to 1. Is bx plus 2 when x is lies between 1 to 2 equals to 1 to also. Is 0 when x is greater than 2. Is given that what is continuous or not. Every real values has given, but what are the main points here you have to think. What are the main points? 0 is 1 point, 1 is second point, 2 is third point. 3 points are there. At these 3 points, we can use a continuity concept. Then we can find out this result. What is this result? A plus B plus AB we want. Means indirectly from this one, some unknown values A and B. By using the continuity concept, if you find out the AB values, then finally we can find out this result. Is it clear? Same way, same process what I did in previous questions. Similar way we can proceed for this one. First I am taking at x is equals to 0. At x is equal to 0. Any 2 points enough. Not only take the all 3 points. 0 I am taking, 1 I am taking. Because in 0, 1 there will be A and B also. At 0 means left side of 0, what is you have to choose? Sin x. Means what indirectly? Limit x tends to 0, sin x is less than 0 value, sin x for greater than 0 is equals to limit x tends to 0. For greater than 0 you can choose x square plus a square. Both must be equal because of given that continuous. Clear? Limit sin x. How I choose as sin x? For x is less than 0 given as f of x is sin x. And what is this is? Given for x is greater than 0, f of x is x square plus a square. Both must be equal because it is given that continuous. Now apply the limit here. X is 0, sin 0 is 0, x is 0, x square 0 plus a square is a square. Means what here? Simply a square. A square value is 0 means indirectly a is 0. Now we can concentrate another point at x is equals to 1. One of the point are enough. At x is equals to 1 or 2 also we can take whatever may be. Better 2 I am taking. Because already this calculated value is there, that's why. Okay, anyone we can take. Limit x tends to 2 minus. For 2 minus we can choose bx plus 2 is equals to limit x tends to 2 plus. For 2 plus I am not writing the plus sign, minus sign, already said to you. After choosing the function, no need to write the sign. X tends to 2 plus greater than 2, we can choose 0. So from this one x is 2, what happened here? 2 into b to b. 2b plus 2 is equals to 0. What is it from this one? 2b is equals to 2 with the minus and b is a minus 1. What are the values of a, b we got? A is 0, b is minus 1. What is the required value? We want a plus b with the plus ab. Already a 0 means what? These two terms must be cancelled. What will be left over? B is left over. Indirectly we want the b value. Therefore, what is a plus b plus ab value is clearly minus 1. Clear? It's a very, very simple question, but you can understand what is the given data. Minus 1. Minus 1, all real values, I think so it will be minus 1. I misread it. Okay, it will be the first option. So, what is that value? Yes, minus 1, 1. Right. You can come to the next question, which is given mains 2020. January batch, in one of the batches is given. It's a very, very simple question. What is that? First, if f of x is defined in this interval, x belongs to open interval minus 1 by 3 to plus 1 by 3 such that f of x is what? F of x is equal to 1 by x of log of 1 plus 3x by 1 minus 2x. When it is given here, f of x is given as 1 by x of log of 1 plus 3x by 1 minus 2x when x is not directly 0. It is a k when x is 0. Means what? Indirectly f of 0 is given as k and f of x is given as this function when x is not equal to 0 directly. First understand the question. So is what given? Continuous. At what point? X is equals to 0. Then k. Here is not given the 2 to 3 definitions of f of x. is given that at x is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. Means we can choose the what? We can choose only first tip. What is that? Limit f of x as x tends to, in place of the a, 0 is there, is equals to f of 0. We can use this is indirectly. Limit f of x is what? 1 by x as x tends to 0 of f of x is 1 by x of log of 1 plus 3x by 1 minus 2x is equals to f of 0 at x is equal to 0. What is f of x value? K. Means what? Indirectly f of 0 value? F of 0 is given as k. Means what? K is simply we can find out this limit value. What is evaluation of this value? That is only a required k value. Right. To evaluate this one, what you can take? X tends to 0. If you take here, what happened? 1 plus 0, 1. 1 minus 0 is also 1. 1 by 1, 1. Log 1 is 0. 0 by denominator is also 0. It is in the form of 0 by 0. For 0 by 0, what you can use? We can use LH rule. That video also there. Link is also there in the description. Limited infinity, limited 0, as well as special forms, as well as limits indeterminate forms. All those videos are there. Please watch those videos by click the I button also. It will be open, and some links are given in the description. If you know the limits concept very well, then we can apply. That is for continuity. In this final result, I am doing the continuous. Or continuous, discontinuous comes under the continuity of part and parcel of limits. Right? So 0 by 0 simply you can use LH rule. What is LH rule? LH rule is what? Yes, derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. Derivative of numerator is what here? Derivative of denominator is x. To use this log of 1 plus 3x by 1 minus 2x derivative directly, again it takes the 2 more steps extra. Before that, before applying the LH rule, I am simplifying this as like this. You know, log a by b we can add log a minus log b. That is log a minus log b. That is log of a means 1 plus 3x with the minus b means log of 1 minus 2x upon x. Now I can use LH rule. Before apply the LH rule, if you simplify this function, then we can use the LH rule easily. That means what is derivative of this function? Log of 1 plus 3x derivative is 1 plus 3x 1 by 1 plus 3x into, again 1 plus 3x derivative is 3 minus 1 by 1 minus 2x into, you know 1 minus 2x derivative is what? Again you can take its derivative is minus 2. Limit x tends to what here? 0. Denominator itself only, derivative of x 1. That's why no need to write the denominator. Now apply the limit. X is 0. What happened? 3 by 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 by 1 is 3. With minus or minus plus 2. Here 1 by 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 2 value is 5. So indirectly the limit of this value is a 5 means k value is a 5. It is given in the numerically valued based questions. You know, from the 2020 January onwards, pattern is changed in JEE Mains. 5 numerically valued based questions also there. In this, from the January 1 of the batch, is given that in numerically valued based question means we can get the solution in integer wise, maybe decimals also. Okay, so this is 5 is integer. Is it clear? Number 9, which is also given mains 2020 January 1 of the batch. This is also given in that batch numerically valued based questions under the numerically valued based questions. That's why no options. What is the question? First of all, you can read out. If the function is defined as 3 functions, like function is f of x defined as 3 parts. That is first one, sine of a plus 2 of x plus sine x upon x when x is less than 0. Fx is this function when x is less than 0. Less than 0 means x is moving to left side of 0. And also f of x is given as b and x value is 0. Means indirectly f of 0 value is given as b. And also f of x is given as x plus 3x square whole power 1 by 3 minus x power of 1 by 3 upon x power of 4 by 3 when x is greater than 0. What I did in previous question, same model question only, there is no difficult at all. Similar model, only function will be changed, values of the a 0 instead of the 0, I mean somewhere else 1 to 0 also there. That is only difference here and there. Is given that what it is also given as continuous at what value? At x is equal to 0. 0 only main point here. Then what is asking? A plus 2b value. Here also some unknown values. Here a is there, here b is there. After finding the ab values, we can find out a plus 2b. In previous question I did MSET. There is asking some other result. Same model here also. Okay. So now what we can do for this one? As usual, at x we can use limit f of x as x tends to 0 minus, as well as limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus must be equals to f of 0, because of given that what? It is given that continuous. Left handed side of a x is equals to 0 and the right side of x is equal to 0 also equals to f of 0 we should take. Is it clear? In place of a there is 0. So now what is the meaning of this is better we can equate these two first. Then these two. We can collect the AB values directly. What is the limit f of x tends to 0 minus means less than 0. We can choose this function, means limit f of x plus we can choose sine of a plus 2 of x plus sine x upon x. As x tends to 0, we can take as it is now, is equals to f of 0. What is f of 0 value is given as b. Yes, b value. We can equate b. Now we can get the x is equals to 0. If you substitute, what happened? Sine of here 0, sine 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 by 0. 0 by 0 means again we have to use what rule? Which we have to use? LH rule, right? For that, derivative of sine a plus 2x. What is sine x derivative? Cos x. Means so sine of a plus 2x derivative is cos of a plus 2 of x into, again a plus 2 of x derivative is a plus 2. That is I am writing here. Plus next term sin x derivative simply cos x. This is derivative of numerator. Derivative of denominator is x derivative is 1. This value is clearly b. Now x is 0. If you substitute, what happened? If substitute x is 0, cos 0 is what? Cos 0 is 1. A plus 2 into 1 is a plus 2. Plus cos 0 here 1 is equals to b. Means what? You can observe that a plus 3 is equals to b we got. As equation 1 we can take. What is a plus 3 value? B we got by using these two. Now we can come to better, already a plus b. We can come to these two. Yes, we can use it. Now we can take x tends to 0 plus means this function to this one. Similarly, right side we can take. Means we can choose this function limit x tends to 0 x plus 3x square power 1 by 3 with minus x power 1 by 3 by x power 4 by 3 must be equals to f of 0. F of 0 means not b we can equate. Clear? F of 0 you can take it as b. Now you can take the simplification of this function. Here also you can get the 0 by 0. If you take the direct L'Hospital rule, it becomes too lengthy. So before the L'Hospital rule, we can make this some simplification. How it is simplified you can see now. You know, in these two terms there is x is common. By taking x is common with power, what is there? 1 by 3 means x power 1 by 3 is coming out. What will be left over in this bracket? X is common means 1 plus here 3x will be left over. Power 1 by 3 as it is. With minus x power 1 by 3 by x power 4 by 3. Limit x tends to 0. This is clearly b. By taking x is of 1 by 3 common. Here x is 1 by 3 common. Here down what is there? X power 4 by 3. Means what? X power 1 by 3 by x power 4 by 3. Shall I write x 1 by x power 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. You know a power m, a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. So x power 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 4 minus 1, 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is 1, means indirectly 1 by x. Clearly, after taking the x power 1 by 3 common, numerator becomes what? Numerator becomes, this is 1 plus 3x power 1 by 3 as it is. Here I have taken this is common, means minus 1 is left over, by down will be x. Right, now we can take the LH rule. Now LH rule is easy. Now by taking the LH rule, because it is in the form of 0 by 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 by 0. Now LH rule. That is a limit extends to 0. 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by 3 derivative. 1 by 3 of 1 plus 3x whole power, you know, x power n derivative. X power n derivatives n into x power n minus 1. 1 by 3, 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x derivative is 3. Now already denominator x derivative is 1. So no need to write, 3 gets cancelled. Now by taking the x is equals to 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, power something is 1 only, 1 is equals to b. We got the b value 1 directly. B value 1 substitute in equation 1. We can substitute in equation 1. What happened? By substituting 1, what is the b value? B value is 1. By substituting here, a plus 3 is equals to 1 means a is equals to minus 2. So substitute 1, what is a value? A is a minus 2. What is asking? Therefore, a plus 2b is asking. A plus 2b. What is a value? Minus 2. Plus 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is clearly 0. This is a plus 2b. Value is a 0. This is also numerically valued basic equation. We got the integer j. This is simply about the JEE Mains 2020 examination, which is depends upon the continuous. Is it clear now? I did the various all these questions, simple way, easy way. Continue to 2 tips only I use it, but framing the questions will be varied. Where is a change you have to recognize? Where are the points we have to use? Where are the tips and tricks you have to use? What method you have to follow to get the solutions easily, quickly, how to know. If you know the concept and as well as tips and tricks, every chapter is easy, and this continuity is also very, very important. Continuity is what with the graph also explained to you, but all functions we cannot draw the graph easily. That's why you have to know the concept, tips and tricks also. We did all types of models I did, including previous JEE Mains and MCET also. Hope so you enjoyed well. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell notification. If you are serious to set your goal to reach the best and better rank, then only you can follow my videos. Otherwise, we're wasting of the time. So if you think only 1 or 2 questions are simple questions are I did, that is not useful to you. I am doing the in each and every topic as a subtopics, all model questions I am covering in that subtopics. That is the most helpful to you for your competitive level of examinations. In competitive level of examination, framing of the questions will be in different angles. Concept is same, but angles will be framed in different. All those you can crack easily, there is no difficult at all. But you can set your mind first of all to reach your goal. Do the simple work, smart work, no need to do the hard work. So if you do the hard work, well and good, but even though don't feel it is a difficult at all. It is not a difficult at all. If you feel it is difficult, it is difficult. First you can set your mind. You can please watch all my videos. What are maybe your doubts? We can make a comment. Definitely I will direct you. So what are maybe your doubts for complete solution? You can contact me through my mail ID. Already I will mention in the video. So with your WhatsApp number to send the complete solution. Is it clear now? So I will cooperate 100% with you. No need to worry, but do good, be good, right? Next video will come to the with new topic. Till then, take care. Bye.